Hello, and thanks for joining me and my fellow council members for this year's Christmas tree lighting. I wish that we could celebrate in person, as seeing the community come together for Christmas tree lighting is one of my favorite events of the year.
I'm gonna miss that too. Another thing I always look forward to is strolling the tree grove and enjoying a tasty treat with my family.
Family is such an important part of everyday life, especially around the holidays. I love that the city of Roseville puts on this event that brings so many families out for a festive, enjoyable evening together.
I really enjoy seeing all of the free entertainment and watching the kids light up as they see their favorite characters.
Oh yeah, I get excited just waiting to see how Santa's gonna make his debut. That guy always knows how to make an entrance.
I really love all these things and look forward to it again next year. But for now, let's get on with the show.
5,
4,
3,
2,
1. Ho, 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 ho. Santa, is that you?
Yes, it's me. I just wanted to pop in to make sure everybody knows that I've expanded my tour this year for Neighborhood Santa. I'll be cruising through Roseville neighborhoods, so make sure to check the website for details at roseville.ca.us/holidays. I look so forward to being here. Ho, 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 ho.
Thanks so much, Santa, for bringing holiday cheer to Roseville. We look forward to seeing you, and before we finish up, I want to say thank you to Roseville Electric Utility for sponsoring our community Christmas tree lighting. And remind everyone to visit the website for other holiday activities in addition to Neighborhood Santa.
have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Roseville.
Merry Christmas!